This is the cargo net installation on a 2009 Toyota Prius. When I bought the car, it did not have factory installed cargo net. You can see I'm missing the upper secure point, the D-rings for the kit. So I went to Toyota. I bought the net, which comes with the installation instructions and the D-rings. You can see here, this is everything that Toyota sends along with the cargo net when you purchase it. Here's the part number, PT347-47040. The Toyota dealership charges $42 for this kit, which is everything you need. So I've just installed the first D-ring on the right side. I'm going to go to the driver's side now. I've taped the template onto the car. You can see it just fits in with this little cutout that's already there. We're going to, it says center punch. I'm going to take a tiny little drill bit and use that as my starter hole. That's all you need to get this started. I want to pause here for just a second. Your instructions are going to say to use an 8mm drill bit, and then in parentheses it's going to say 19/64 inch. Well, I started with a 19/64 and did find it was just a little bit too snug for the D-rings that were in my kit. Now if I look on the reference chart here, 19/64 is only a 7.54mm drill bit. So if you want to go up to an 8mm drill bit, you're really going to be using a 5/16 inch drill bit. So if you want to start a little bit smaller on 19/64, just see how it works with your kit and then drill out the hole a little bit bigger with a 5/16. I would suggest doing that. Start small and go a little bit bigger. Okay, let's continue. I'm going to make this hole, it's just through the plastic. It's not very deep at all. That's it. It's a very shallow piece of plastic, very thin. So I'm going to hollow this hole out just a little bit, just to make it a tiny bit bigger. I did find the other one was very snug. So let's work this in now. And then what I found was that you can lock it down with this rubber mallet. Kind of helps out a little bit. You just want to make sure it's all the way flush against this piece of plastic before you lock it down. That's it. Very secure. So we're going to install the net now. And that actually installs on the bottom, the included D-rings you've already got there, and the top. These new, it comes with the clips. The net does come with the clips pre-installed. There you go. These come in handy. If you're carrying groceries, keeps them from sliding around the back of the car, but very easy install. You've got the right tools out already. I think the longest time it took us was to figure out what size drill bit we actually needed. Very nice addition to the car.